Most people get Reddit formatting wrong by thinking you can just paste a URL, but the surprising truth is Reddit uses Markdown to create clean hyperlinks that look professional and uncluttered. Today, I'll show you exactly how to hyperlink on Reddit, step by step. First, start your Reddit comment or post in a text box that supports Markdown. This works on both the desktop site and mobile app, though formatting options are more visible on desktop. The basic hyperlink format uses square brackets for the text, followed by parentheses for the URL. For example, your text here https://example.com. Replace your text here with the text you want displayed. Replace https://example.com with the full URL you want to link to. Here's an example. If you type check this out https://reddit.com, it will appear as check this out on Reddit, and users can click it to go directly to reddit.com. Most people get this wrong by leaving the raw URL in their post, which can look messy and reduce engagement. If you want to link multiple times in a comment or post, simply repeat the format wherever needed. You can also combine it with other markdown like asterisk, asterisk, bold, asterisk, asterisk, or asterisk, italic, asterisk text for emphasis. For example, asterisk, asterisk, important link https://example.com asterisk, asterisk will make your link bold. On mobile apps, sometimes the preview doesn't show hyperlinks until you submit the post, so don't panic if it looks raw. While typing, always double-check after posting. In conclusion, creating hyperlinks on Reddit is simple once you know the Markdown syntax, text URL. Most people get this wrong by pasting long, unformatted URLs, which can make your posts look messy and reduce clicks. Using clean hyperlinks makes your content look professional and easier to read. Subscribe for more Reddit tips and tutorials that help you post smarter, faster, and cleaner every time.